you might already be having this issue. When you click the record button in Xbox Game Bar, it says gaming features aren't available for the Windows desktop or File Explorer. Don't worry, this is actually not an error. And in this video, I'll show you why it happens and how to start recording. First, open Settings, then go to Gaming and open Xbox Game Bar. Make sure Xbox Game Bar is turned on. Next, open Captures and make sure all the recording options you need are enabled. After that, go to Game Mode and turn it on as well. This step is important, so don't skip it. Now, here's the real reason you're seeing this message. Xbox Game Bar cannot record the Windows desktop or File Explorer. It only records games and most applications. So if you're on the desktop and press the record button, you'll get that message. The fix is very simple. Just open the application you want to record. For example, I'll open the calculator app. Now press Windows plus G. As you can see, the record button is no longer gray. It turns red, which means recording is available. Click the record button or press Windows plus Alt plus R and the recording timer will start. The same thing works with other apps too. For example, if I open OBS Studio, then press Windows plus G, the record button turns red again, and I can start recording without any problems. So remember, every time you want to use Xbox Game Bar, make sure you have a supported application or game open first. It won't record the Windows desktop or File Explorer. That's it for this video.